Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning with Monty. In this video we are going to create a simple login system in PHP using sessions. This is perfect for the beginners who want to understand how user authentication works. Let's get started. First we start the XAMPP. I am already started the XAMPP. Alright. Now we are going to create a file. First we go to folder XAMPP htdocs, docs, then create a folder name PHP task. Alright, now I am open into VS Code. See, enter. Code space packet dot now it's open. Now create a file index.php. First we write HTML. First we start with PHP and close. Save. First we check hello. Save. Going to browser, local host PHP task index.php. It's working. Now start with the session. Okay, session start. What it does: start a session in PHP. Session allow you to store data like username that persist across multiple pages. Why we use it? Without session start, PHP don't know how the user after logging in. Okay, now first we start the session using session start, so PHP can remember our user across pages. Define user. Now we define the user. Users is equal to curly bracket admin 1 2 3 4. User ABCD. Now close, save. Okay, what it does: create an array of predefined username and password. Okay, this is a username, this is a username and this is a password. This is the username and this is the password. Okay, we write two username or two passwords. Why we use it? For this demo we don't connect to a database get. This array acts as our fake database for the login. Here define two users, admin and user, each has a password. In real apps we does use a database. Now third step, handle form. Okay, now I'm right. Third step, middle from submission. Okay, and this is our first step. Start the session, and this is the second step. First step, second step. Define users. Now third step, if I set $_ post login username post username. Okay, password post password close. If I set users, okay, underscore, oh sorry, username and users dollar username, okay, is equal to password. $_session username is equal to is equal to $username close. Echo login successful. Welcome. Okay, username otherwise else echo invalid username or password. Okay, I set post login, check if the login button was clicked. Okay, underscore post username post password, get the input values from the form. Validation, check the entire username exists and match the password. Store session, if valid, store the username in the session so it can be used across pages. Echo success or the message error. ठीक है, okay. We check if the user clicked login, then validate the conditionals. If correct, we store the username in the session and show the message successfully. Okay, now fourth step, logout handle. Fourth step, logout handling. Okay, if I set $_get logout session destroyer header location index.php, give some space. Okay, what it does, if the URL contain logout, if it restore the session and redirect to the login page, so the user can log out safely. We also provide a logout option. Clicking it will be restore the session and redirect back to the login page. Now HTML form, fifth step, HTML form. Okay, it is outside the PHP. Form method post action index.php. Okay, we use table row td username td input type text, the username name we fill username. Okay, same goes for the password. Type password alright, in name also password. Form action submits to the same page. Method post safer than get for the password. Input user name or password and login button. Okay, we are created login button also. Table row td input type submit name login. Okay, this login. Okay, I'm talking about this login, and value login. Okay, this is the login form. User entire their conditionals and the click login. We're going to check, refresh, let's check. Okay, we are create a table. We give some style border 1 pixel. Okay, so it is a better. Okay, now 6th step, display logout link if logged in. Okay, this is a 6th step. PHP step 6, if I set session username, okay, give anchor tag a href logout is equal to 1. Okay, logout PHP and if okay, show the logout link only if the user log in. Why we use it? To prevent showing logout then the user is logout in. We show a logout link only then the user logged in a simple PHP if statement. Okay, we first check the it's give error. Oh, we not closing. Now save PHP and it give error. Why? Wait, PHP and if it show error. Let me check, refresh, and if expect syntax error है, index token index expand the file of PHP line. We start the PHP and close question mark and okay. Problem is we not correct the syntax. Now save, and there is a post in uppercase because PHP is a case sensitive. Post there is also post. Now save, now check, we check. Actually there is a I'm already saved the data that was showing. We are going to Ingrito window. Now check admin 1 2 3 4 login. There is a error post. Oh sorry, save. Now refresh, login successfully. Now again we check admin 1 2 3 4 login is successfully. Welcome admin. Now we check the user ABCD password is there is a ABCD password. Okay, login is successfully welcome user. Okay, now there is a click of logout, click then logout. Okay, now this is end. Alright guys, that is it today tutorial. We learn how to create a simple login system in PHP using sessions. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more PHP tutorials, and turn to the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much to watch this video.